Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Hyundai Elantra Sport. Under the hood we have a 2-liter L4 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in white. It looks great. You do have the Hyundai badging right up front there, and you do have your lights here, the halogen lights there, very bright, as well as your fog lights just down there. Now coming around the side here, we do have 17-inch rims with the Hyundai logo on them. It looks fantastic. Those tires look very nice as well. They're hand-cooked tires. Still lots of tread left on them. You do have your heated mirrors up here, keeping it nice and warm. Now coming all the way to the back, we do have the Elantra logo there. And to open up the back, we just got to press a button in the cabin. There we go, all opened up for us. Lots of room back here as well. It looks great. You can lift this up, and you do have your spare tire under there if you ever need it. And you can fold those seats forward as well. There's a little lever right there. You can fold those guys forward, and then you got even more room to put stuff back here. Okay, we got our keys here. 2 presses to lock all the doors. You got 2 presses to unlock all of them. Then you got that one to open up the back. And on the back of here, we do have the panic button. But let's unlock and take a look on the inside. Now on the door here, you do have your electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. Got a handle here and a little handle here. Some storage down here as well with a water bottle holder. Lots of room in here as well. Very spacious little car. Looks fantastic. Very soft seats as well. Keeps you nice and comfortable. You got the controls over the seats here. Then we also have our eco mode and the controls over the in-cabin lights here, as well as that guy does control your traction control. And this guy here is the controls for your lights. So you got your auto, your daytime running lights, your low beams, and you also have your high beams and your turning signals. Okay, let's start her up here. So key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now in the center here, you do have your speedometer and your odometer, as well as you have your fuel gauge, your engine temperature. Right now it does say what gear we're in, that the vehicle only has 22,000 kilometers, not very many at all. Then we also have our all sorts of different options in here. We have our trip A and B. We also have our range and our average liters per 100 kilometers, all that stuff in there. Now you got all sorts of different controls on the steering wheel here. You have your volume up and down, a selector, you have your mode and your mute, as well as your cruise control options over here, your Bluetooth controls here, and your trip and reset and mode and all those right over here. You also have the controls over your windshield wipers right there. Never known you're going to need those, of course. And then over here we do have all sorts of different things. So we do have our clock right up here, and then down here we do have a touchscreen display. We do have our CD player right here. We have our radio, so we have AM, FM, and Sirius XM. As well, we have our media tabs if we have one hooked up through aux cord, Bluetooth, or USB. Then you also have your phone if you have one hooked up. You also have your mute. You have your scan and your setup, volume up and down, and your power. Then your enter and your browser there, your track and your folder there. Then in the climate control here, we have our front and rear defrost. We have our AC, our circulation, power, and where it's going to blow out of, plus our heat and AC here. Then you got your heated seats right there. You can lift that guy up, and there's your aux cord and your USB plug-in. Then you also have your gear shift right here, and when you are in reverse, you do have that ever-useful backup camera right there, keeping you nice and safe. Got some cup holders here and an armrest right here that does double as a storage container. Then over here we do also have our glove box. Up top here we do have the controls over our sunroof right there. And then we also have our sunglass holder. And there's our sunroof. Okay, let's take a look in the back here. Open this guy up. Now on the door we do have heated seats back here as well. Very nice for the passengers. You have the controls over your windows, a handle, and some storage down here. Very spacious back here as well. Very comfortable. You can sit all 3 people that go back here. Then you can fold this down. You do have your armrest and some cup holders there. And there's our 2-liter L4 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video. The 2016 Hyundai Elantra Sport. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.